What if I told you that filmmaking, as we know it, is about to end? That, with just a sentence, you could create a high-definition video with actors, sounds, lighting, emotion, no camera, no crew, no budget. Sounds like a sci-fi film, not anymore. Welcome to Veo 3, Google's groundbreaking AI that turns text into video. This isn't a glimpse of the future. This is the future, and it's already happening. What is Veo 3? Veo 3 is the latest generative AI model from Google DeepMind. It's trained to understand not just words, but visual language. That means when you say a soldier walks through a burning battlefield at sunset, Veo understands what war looks like, what fire looks like, what human movement feels like, what emotion that scene should evoke, and what angle a filmmaker would choose to capture it. This is far beyond what tools like Midjourney or DALL-E can do. This is a new level of AI, one that's no longer imagining reality, it's building it. How does it actually work? Veo is powered by billions of data points, including real-world physics, film studies, lighting dynamics, and human emotion mapping. Its text-to-video engine decodes prompts and translates them into frame-by-frame video, matching ambient sounds, visual storytelling logic. It supports cinematic camera movements, dolly shots, aerial pans, zooms, slow motion. You're no longer prompting an image, you're directing a full video scene through words alone. And it doesn't stop there. Veo also lets you edit existing videos using just text. Make the sunset darker, done. Add birds in the sky, done. Make the character smile, done. It's like Photoshop and Final Cut. Without the learning curve, AI voices, sound FX, and emotional tone. One of the most fascinating aspects of Veo is its ability to match the emotion of the scene with perfect audio. It generates background sounds, voice lines, music, tone of voice you could write. A lone child whispers into the wind in a snowstorm. Veo will create a cold, windy visual, a soft, trembling voice, and maybe even a single piano note in the background. This isn't automation, this is artificial intuition. The evolution of storytelling humans have told stories for 100,000 plus years. From cave paintings to oral myths to Hollywood blockbusters. Every revolution in media came from new tools: the printing press, the camera, the internet, YouTube, and now Veo. This isn't just another app, it's the next leap in human expression. With Veo, even someone who can't draw, film, or edit can now create cinema. For the first time in history, the only limit is your imagination. Use cases and global rollout. Veo is currently in private testing. With planned integration into YouTube Shorts, Canva Film, and ad agencies' potential uses, educational content, filmmaking, journalism, marketing, storyboarding, virtual environments. It's also being tested to help people with disabilities express themselves through video. AI is becoming an equalizer, not just a disruptor. Threats, ethics, and misinformation. But with power comes risk. If AI can create anything, what happens to truth? News, credibility, deepfake detection, artists, and real actors. How do we protect society when AI-generated videos look 100% real? Will propaganda become more dangerous? Can fake wars be broadcasted even more? What about identity theft or revenge deepfakes? We must ask, can humanity keep up with the speed of its own creations? Is this the end of human creativity? Many fear that AI like Veo will replace artists, but history shows every tool that threatened creativity ultimately expanded it. Photoshop didn't kill art, it transformed it. YouTube didn't kill TV, it gave millions of voices a platform. The question is not, will AI replace humans? It's, how will humans evolve with AI? The best creators won't fight it, they'll master it. What comes next? Today, it's 1-minute HD video. Tomorrow, it will be feature-length AI films. Fully voiced characters, interactive AI-generated stories, real-time movies inside the metaverse soon. You might just describe a dream, and your AI will create it for you. What happens when we no longer consume stories, but live inside them? Google Veo is not just a tool, it's a mirror. It shows us what we're capable of, and what we're willing to hand over. Will this be the age of infinite creativity, or infinite confusion? That's up to us. So what do you think? Is this the end of traditional storytelling, or a whole new beginning? Tell us in the comments, and if you're ready to keep decoding the future with us, like, share and subscribe to Decoding History and Science, where the past, present, and future collide.